Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix you have reached the message request limit on Cash App. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So let me tell you that there are two limits of Cash App. First is receiving or sending the money, and second is that if you want to send the message to someone, then there is a limit to send the message. Okay guys, so how can you fix this issue guys? Just simply you have to close this page. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open App Store. Now first of all you have to update the app. After updating the app, check if it's working or not. After updating the app guys, you have to open the Cash App again. Let me tell you that what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap on your profile. So from here guys, you have to go to verify your identity. You can also increase your limit to verify your identity. So just simply you have to verify the identity, and after that check if your limit has been increased or not. If it's still not working, just simply have to open the Cash App again. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on your profile, scroll it down a bit, and just simply you have to locate for the sports section. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some seconds again, scroll it down a bit, and just simply you have to tap on account and settings. So from here you have to go to view your limits. From here just simply you have to go to chat section. Let me tell you that you can also use Cash App more frequently to increase your limits. Okay guys, just simply contact with the Cash App support team and tell them that you want to increase your limit, and hopefully they will increase your limit. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.